Welcome guys. So in this tutorial of SolidWorks, we are going to see how can we use move option, copy option, then we have stretch option, and then we have enlarge option. So how can we use this option in SolidWorks? So what we will do, we will go for sketch. Like we take a new file in SolidWorks, we go for sketch. We take the front plane and let you have some dimension, you have geometry drawn. Let's draw some geometry here. So we have fully defined geometry. Now what we have to do, we have some modification here so that we can't get confused about another. If we move it or copy it, let's make some complex geometry. So we are trimming some part here. We don't want diagonal lines also, so if you can trim that diagonals, and it's the only construction purpose only. So we have this geometry. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use these 5 options available, which are very useful in complex geometry. So let's see move entities. So what is move entities? So just we want to move this whole geometry to some different point. So as you can see here, this geometry is been made on the origin, but what we want to do, if we want to make this point to the origin, we can move this whole geometry. So how to do that? So here, as you can see, this is the entities to move. So we will click, like we will scroll down for the whole for the whole geometry. So it selected all the lines and points available. Now in the parameter option, what you have to do, you have to select start point here like this, but before doing that, be sure that this keep relation checkbox is unchecked. So now you have to go for start point, select this point and just move to the origin. As you can see here, this box, the geometry has been moved to the origin. So in this way you can use the move entity option, which is very useful. Now we are going to use the copy entities. So just select the copy entities, entities to copy. So if we want to copy a whole geometry again, so drag your mouse to the whole geometry so that you can select each and every point. Now here is the start point. Click point from where you start the geometry to get copied and just make it where you want, and just place that geometry where you want to keep that geometry. So in this way you can copy your geometry. Now there is the third option is rotate entities. Again, if you click on rotate entities, then you will get this dialog box on the left hand side. Here it's asking for entities to rotate. Again, you want to select this geometry. Be sure to click on keep relation, center of rotation. So we have point, we have also this point. So let's use this point and give some angle which you the angle which you want to rotate the geometry. So let's rotate it by 90 degree and click OK. So it has been rotated at this point by 90 degree. So this is the rotation function which you can use. And then we have scale entities option. So for scale entities, you can scale some entities or you can scale the whole geometry. So let's try to scale the whole geometry. So let's scale this geometry. If you have selected the geometry, scale about. If you want to scale about this point or this point, so let's scale about this point. And how much scale you want? It's 1.3 times the original, or 1.4 or 1.5 times the original. Let's say 1.5 times the original, and use copy. If you use the copy option, then the original geometry will retain. If you don't use the copy, the original geometry will not retain. So let's don't click copy. We just want the new one. So we get the scaled geometry of the previous one. So that's the scaling option. So now that the fifth option is that stretch entity option. So if you want to use stretch entities, let's say we want to stretch these three entities. We want to modify this, like we want to stretch these three entities. So what do you do? As you can see, entities to stretch dialog box is blue. So you have to select these three entities, and parameters, let's say stretch about. So we are going to stretch from this point. So as you can see, if you drag your mouse, you can see that you can stretch your entities. Now you don't know the exact dimension. What you can do? So you can just stretch it about some distance, and then if you click on escape key, you can go for smart dimension, and you can get the dimension. Let's say we want to stretch it about 80. So it has been stretched. So in this way you can use these 5 functions: move entities, copy entities, rotate, scale, and stretch entities, which are very useful when you are going for making a complex geometry and you have very less time. So in this way you can use these 5 options in 2D geometry for SolidWorks. So I hope this video will be helpful to you, and if you like it, then like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.